us the Son is born, for to us a child is born, to us a son is given, and the government will be on his shoulders, and he will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, and Prince of Peace. Isaiah chapter 9 verse 6.
Brethren, I greet you all in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ, from whom all blessings flow. This Christmas, I call upon us to acknowledge that our God is God who gives. He is God who gave us His only begotten Son, so that all who believe in Him might not perish, but have everlasting life.
Dr. Kazimba Mugalu asks brethren to follow in the footsteps of the Lord and continue to be alert over the conditions that ravage our lives.
Too many of us look in the wrong places for answers to our challenges. We look on social media or to our age mates, but I want you to know that most of the so-called answers on social media are not true. People are just forwarding lies. If you want wonderful counsel, then look to the wonderful counselor. Look to Jesus, whose birth we celebrate this Christmas. If you want the best answers to your challenges, then look to Jesus, who the prophet Isaiah says is the wonderful counselor.
The Archbishop challenged families to keep the focus and stamp their feet on educational and behavior change aspects during the festive holidays.
I urge you all families to reduce their spending this Christmas a little, so you have enough to pay school fees in January. Christmas comes every year. Don't overspend and even end up in debts, so that you eat as if you have never eaten.
The Church of Uganda joins in celebrations of the birth of Jesus Christ our Lord every year with the aim of preaching the gospel, extending love, and comforting the grieved. The Church of Uganda will celebrate this festive ahead of 2023 on a theme, United for Service and Growth, to enable the Church to grow responsibly through evangelistic outreaches and sustainable project focus. Joy Nabulo, Church of Uganda, Family TV, News at 8.